Hey everyone, welcome back to English Vibes.
Hi there. We're so excited you're here with us today.
I'm John.
And I'm Maya.
We're here to help you practice real, everyday English conversations.
If you enjoy our videos, please hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Yes, it really helps us create more content for you.
So today, we're talking about something we all experience.
That's right, we're discussing morning habits, what we do when we first wake up.
This is such practical vocabulary. You can use these phrases every single day.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to describe your morning routine in natural English.
And you'll learn tons of useful expressions for talking about daily habits.
Let's dive in. Maya, are you a morning person or a night person?
Oh, I'm definitely a morning person. I love waking up early and starting my day fresh.
Really? What time do you usually wake up?
On weekdays, I wake up at 6 a.m. On weekends, maybe 7 or 7:30 a.m.
6 a.m.? That's so early. I'm the complete opposite. I'm a night owl.
A night owl? That means you stay up late, right?
Exactly. I usually go to bed after midnight and wake up around 8 a.m.
8 o'clock. That must be nice to sleep in.
Well, I work from home, so I have more flexibility. But tell me, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
The very first thing, I turn off my alarm. Sometimes I hit the snooze button once or twice.
Only once or twice? I hit snooze at least 5 times.
5 times? John, that's terrible for your sleep quality.
I know, it's a bad habit. What do you do after turning off your alarm?
I immediately sit up in bed. If I stay lying down, I'll fall back asleep.
That's smart. Do you check your phone first thing?
I try not to. I've read that checking your phone immediately can make you stressed.
That's true, but I'm guilty of checking my phone right away. I look at messages and emails.
You should try waiting at least 30 minutes before checking.
Maybe I should. So after you sit up, what's next?
I open the curtains to let natural light in. Sunlight helps wake me up.
That's a great tip. Do you have blackout curtains?
No, I prefer regular curtains so some morning light comes through naturally.
I have blackout curtains because I like my room very dark, so I need to turn on lights when I wake up.
Everyone's different. After opening curtains, I drink a glass of water.
Right away? Before coffee?
Yes, your body is dehydrated after sleeping for 8 hours. Water first, coffee second.
I never thought about that. I go straight for coffee.
Try drinking water first. It's healthier and actually wakes you up faster.
How much water do you drink?
A full glass, about 250 milliliters. Sometimes I add lemon.
Lemon water in the morning. I've heard that's good for digestion.
It is. It's refreshing too. What's your first morning drink?
Coffee. Strong black coffee. I can't function without it.
You're a true coffee addict.
Guilty? I make coffee before doing anything else. What about breakfast? Do you eat right away?
I wait about 30 minutes after waking up. I'm not very hungry immediately.
What do you eat for breakfast?
It varies. Sometimes oatmeal with fruit, sometimes eggs and toast, sometimes yogurt with granola.
That sounds healthy. Do you cook breakfast every day?
Most days, yes. I enjoy cooking in the morning. It's relaxing.
Relaxing? Cooking in the morning sounds stressful to me.
Not if you have time. That's why I wake up early. What about you? What's your breakfast?
I usually grab something quick. Cereal, toast, or a banana. Sometimes I skip breakfast.
You skip breakfast? That's not good for you.
I know, but some mornings I'm just not hungry or I'm running late.
You should try waking up earlier.
Easier said than done. Now let's talk about hygiene routines. When do you shower, morning or night?
I'm a morning shower person. It helps me wake up and feel fresh for the day.
Me too. I can't start my day without a shower.
How long do you shower for?
About 10 to 15 minutes. I like to take my time. What about you?
Around 10 minutes. I wash my hair every other day, not daily.
Why not daily?
Washing hair every day can dry it out. Every other day is healthier.
Interesting. I wash mine every day. Do you take hot or cold showers?
Warm, leaning toward hot. I love hot showers.
Have you ever tried cold showers in the morning?
Once, it was terrible. I was shivering.
Some people say cold showers are energizing.
Maybe, but I prefer being warm and comfortable.
Fair enough. What do you do after showering?
I dry off, apply lotion, and then do my skincare routine.
Another skincare routine? Didn't you do one at night?
Yes, morning skincare is different from nighttime skincare.
How is it different?
In the morning, I focus on protection. I use vitamin C serum and sunscreen.
Sunscreen every day, even when it's not sunny?
Yes, UV rays are present even on cloudy days. You should wear sunscreen too.
I only wear it at the beach. Maybe I should start daily application.
You definitely should. Your future skin will thank you.
What about makeup? Do you wear makeup every day?
On work days, yes. Just light makeup, foundation, mascara, lipstick.
How long does your makeup routine take?
About 15 minutes. I keep it simple for everyday wear.
So between skincare and makeup, that's 30 minutes?
More or less. It's my self-care time.
I just splash water on my face and I'm done.
Men have it easier.
We really do. Now, what about getting dressed? Do you plan your outfit the night before?
Sometimes, if I have an important meeting, I plan ahead. Otherwise, I decide in the morning.
How long does it take you to choose an outfit?
On a good day, 5 minutes. On a bad day, 20 minutes of trying different things.
I can relate. Sometimes I try on 3 or 4 outfits before deciding.
Exactly, especially when you're not sure about the weather.
Do you check the weather every morning?
Always. I check my weather app to see if I need a jacket or umbrella.
Smart. I often forget and end up too cold or carrying an unnecessary jacket all day.
Checking the weather saves you trouble later.
What about accessories? Do you wear jewelry daily?
Just simple pieces, small earrings, a watch, sometimes a necklace.
I only wear a watch. That's my only accessory.
Minimalist. I like it. Now let's talk about the mental part of mornings. Do you do anything for your mindset?
Like what? Meditation?
Yes, or journaling or reading something inspirational.
Do you do these things?
I try to meditate for 10 minutes every morning.
Really? Tell me more about that.
I sit quietly, focus on my breathing, and clear my mind. It helps me start the day calmly.
Where do you meditate?
In my living room, on a cushion. I have a special corner just for meditation.
That sounds peaceful. I've never tried meditation.
You should. There are apps like Headspace or Calm that guide you.
Maybe I will. Do you listen to music in the morning?
Sometimes, upbeat music while I'm getting ready.
What kind of music?
Pop music or energetic indie music, something that puts me in a good mood.
I listen to podcasts while getting ready.
What kind of podcasts?
News podcasts mostly, to catch up on current events.
That's productive. What about exercise? Do you work out in the morning?
Not really. I exercise in the evening. Mornings are too rushed for me.
I do a quick 20-minute workout 3 mornings a week.
What kind of workout?
Yoga or light stretching. Nothing too intense.
Does it wake you up?
Definitely. It gets my blood flowing and gives me energy.
Where do you work out? At home or a gym?
At home, I just need a yoga mat and I'm ready.
That's convenient. No commute to the gym.
Exactly. I follow YouTube videos for guidance.
Now let's talk about the commute. How do you get to work?
I drive. My commute is about 30 minutes.
Do you listen to anything during the drive?
Podcasts or audiobooks, it makes the commute more enjoyable.
What podcasts do you like?
True crime podcasts, self-improvement podcasts, sometimes comedy.
I work from home, so no commute for me.
Lucky, you save so much time.
I do, but sometimes I miss the transition time between home and work.
That's true. The commute helps you mentally prepare for work.
What time do you arrive at work?
Around 8:30 a.m. My work starts at 9 a.m., so I have a buffer.
A buffer smart. I hate rushing.
Me too. I'd rather be early than stressed.
What's the first thing you do when you arrive at work?
I make another coffee, then I check my emails and plan my day.
Sounds organized. Do you make a to-do list?
Every single morning, I write down my 3 most important tasks.
Only 3?
3 priorities. Of course, I have other tasks, but 3 must get done.
That's a good strategy. What about breakfast at work? Do you eat there?
Sometimes I bring fruit or a granola bar for a mid-morning snack.
Around what time?
Around 10 or 10:30 a.m. when I start feeling hungry again.
That's a good routine. Now, let's talk about weekend mornings. Is your routine different?
Completely different. I sleep in until 7:30 or 8 a.m.
That's still early for a weekend.
I can't sleep past 8 a.m. even if I try. My body is used to waking up early.
Do you still do all your morning routines on weekends?
Mostly, yes, but I take my time. I don't rush.
What's different about weekend mornings?
I make a fancier breakfast. Pancakes or a big omelet or French toast.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook for just yourself?
Sometimes I invite friends over for brunch.
Brunch. That's such a nice weekend tradition.
It is. What about you? What time do you wake up on weekends?
Not before 10 a.m. Sometimes 11 a.m. if I stayed up very late.
That's a huge difference from your weekday wake-up time.
I know. Sleep experts say you should keep consistent wake times, but I love sleeping in.
It's okay to relax on weekends.
My weekend mornings are super lazy. I stay in bed, scroll on my phone, watch videos.
How long do you stay in bed?
Sometimes an hour after waking up. I call it lazy bedtime.
That sounds relaxing. Do you eventually get up and shower?
Eventually, then I make brunch, usually around noon.
What do you make?
Eggs, bacon, toast, a proper breakfast. Now, let's talk about morning challenges. What's your biggest morning challenge?
Honestly, choosing what to wear. It takes so much mental energy.
I thought you had it all figured out.
Some days I do. Other days I stare at my closet for 15 minutes.
What helps when that happens?
Having a few go-to outfits that I know work well.
That's smart. What's your morning challenge, Maya? Waking up. I hate my alarm so much.
Have you tried different alarm sounds?
I've tried everything. Music, beeping, gradual alarms. I hate them all.
Maybe you need more sleep at night.
Probably, but I can't fall asleep early.
That's the night owl problem.
Exactly. What about rushing? Do you ever rush in the morning?
Rarely. Because I wake up early, I have plenty of time.
I rush almost every work morning
Why?
because I wake up late, hit snooze too many times, and then panic.
You need to fix that routine.
I know. It's stressful starting the day rushed.
Try setting your alarm 30 minutes earlier.
That sounds painful.
It's hard at first, but you'll adjust.
Maybe I'll try it. Now let's give our viewers some useful phrases for talking about morning habits.
Great idea. Let's start with wake-up phrases.
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
I'm a morning person. I love early mornings.
I hit the snooze button 3 times before getting up.
I struggle to wake up in the morning.
Now some activity phrases.
The first thing I do is drink a glass of water.
I take a shower every morning to wake up.
I make coffee before doing anything else.
I check my phone for messages.
I open the curtains to let light in.
Great. What about preference phrases?
I prefer to exercise in the morning.
I like to plan my outfit the night before.
I can't start my day without coffee.
I need at least 30 minutes to fully wake up.
These are all very natural phrases.
Now let's do our vocabulary review.
Yes, let's review the 10 most important words from today.
First word, habit. A habit is something you do regularly, almost automatically.
Drinking water first thing is a healthy morning habit.
Good habits improve your life. Bad habits hurt it.
Next word, routine. A routine is a sequence of actions you do regularly in the same order.
My morning routine includes showering, breakfast, and coffee.
Having a routine makes mornings smoother and less stressful.
Next, snooze. Snooze means to delay your alarm for a few more minutes of sleep.
I hit the snooze button twice before actually getting up.
Most alarms have a snooze function that gives you 5 to 10 more minutes.
Next word, energizing. Energizing means giving you energy and making you feel alert.
A cold shower is energizing, but I prefer warm showers.
Coffee and exercise are both energizing activities.
Next, refreshing. Refreshing means making you feel fresh, revived, and awake.
A morning shower is so refreshing after sleeping.
Refreshing activities help you feel renewed and ready for the day.
Next word, Productive. Productive means getting a lot done, accomplishing tasks efficiently.
Having a morning routine makes me more productive during the day.
Productive mornings lead to productive days.
Next, hydrated. Hydrated means having enough water in your body.
Drinking water in the morning keeps you hydrated after sleep.
Dehydrated means not having enough water.
Next word, commute. A commute is the journey from home to work or school.
My commute takes 30 minutes by car.
Some people have long commutes, others have short ones.
Next, buffer. A buffer is extra time added to prevent being late or rushed.
I arrive 15 minutes early to work as a buffer.
Having a buffer reduces stress.
Last word, consistent. Consistent means doing something the same way regularly.
Being consistent with your wake-up time helps your sleep quality.
Consistency creates good habits.
So we learned habit, routine, snooze, energizing, refreshing, productive, hydrated, commute, buffer, and consistent.
These are 10 essential words for talking about your morning habits.
Now, viewers, it's your turn to practice.
We have questions for you.
Write in the comments, what time do you wake up on weekdays?
And tell us, are you a morning person or a night owl?
We love reading your comments and learning about your routines.
Share one morning habit you have. Maybe someone will try it.
Try describing your entire morning routine in English for practice.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
Hit that notification bell so you never miss our videos.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Have a great morning, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Rise and shine.
Useful phrases for morning habits. Wake-up phrases. I wake up at every day. I'm a morning person or night owl. I hit the snooze button blank times. I struggle to wake up early. Activity phrases. The first thing I do is I take a shower every morning. I make coffee before anything else. I check my phone for messages. I open the curtains. Preference phrases. I prefer to blank in the morning. I like to blank. I can't start my day without blank. I need at least blank to blank. Time phrases. I wake up around blank. It takes me blank minutes to blank. I leave home at blank. I arrive at work by blank. Quick vocabulary review. Habit. Something you do regularly, automatically. Routine. Sequence of regular actions. Snooze. Delay alarm for more sleep. Energizing. Giving energy and alertness. Refreshing. Making you feel fresh and awake. Productive. Accomplishing tasks efficiently. Hydrated. Having enough water in your body. Commute. Journey from home to work. Buffer. Extra time to prevent rushing. Consistent. Doing something regularly the same way. Practice talking about your morning habits in English.